Don't worry, Lily. I was handling trains on our railway before you and Adam arrived, remember? I appreciate your concern, Lily, but I won't be taking anything I can't handle.
That was what worried.
I'd better take it with this lot. It may spoil if it's left here during a storm.
It would frown.
Oh, the trucks don't give me any trouble. I can handle them.
A thread engine called, as cold.
I'm not sure, Winston. Could you go and get help? I think I may have been a bit overconfident.
Call